A highlighter is a form of makeup that reflects light. It is commonly used for contouring and can be used to the face or other parts of the body to brighten the skin and create the illusion of depth and angles. The product is available in powder, liquid, cream, gloss, solid stick, and jelly forms. Illuminators are not the same as highlighters. Highlighters became popular among theater and film actors who shot or performed indoors and lacked natural light to define facial characteristics such as cheekbones, nose, and jawline. Highlighter also allows you to emphasize or minimize a specific feature to suit the character being portrayed as well as aesthetic trends.
The highlighter is a valuable makeup that can transform any skin into a glowy and radiant mind with micropearlescent particles that form a light veil and reflect light. So, we can use this precious product in specific areas, primarily on curved areas of the face, to shimmer the reflections of the sun, breath, reliefs, cheekbones, the middle of the forehead, the cupid's bow, the line of the nose, and the tip of the nose. Also, we can use the highlighter to enhance the appearance of the body, such as the shoulders, collarbones, and legs. Like most cosmetic products, we have to test the highlighter before purchase because the product does not always correspond to the result obtained on the skin. As a result, we recommend swatching on the hydrated area of the hand to get a sense of the actual rendering. In general, and for beauty wellness effective, you can choose the highlighter according to the complexion. A slightly pearly nude shade is recommended for fair skin. Matte skin prefers brown tones to brighten its complexion. Black skins prefer the golden color because it draws the most attention to them. Skin color is not the only criterion to consider. When selecting a highlighter, the type of skin must be considered. Combination skin should prefer a powdered highlighter applied with a special brush, whereas dry skin will be more comfortable with gel, liquid, or cream textures patted on the areas with fingertips. The average person with so-called lucky skin can afford anything. For a wet look, blend the highlighter into the foundation with a pre-moistened sponge. The effect is noticeable, especially when the product comes into contact with water. At this point, the product appears more intense.
Highlighter is essentially facial makeup that catches the light, producing the illusion of luminosity and height, and hence that lit from within effect. Celebrities frequently use it with contouring to elevate and push back features. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like our content, don't forget to press the like button, share the video with your family and friends, and leave a comment if you have any remarks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.